Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. If you like to keep your food and drinks cold on the go, then this Igloo Latitude Cooler is the perfect one for you. Igloo Max Cold Latitude 90 Roller can hold up to 137 cans. It's got up to 5 days of ice retention. This Igloo cooler is awesome. I love that it has cup holders on the top, which is awesome for parties, camping, or hanging out at the beach. The wheels on this cooler are awesome. They go through every kind of terrain, and it has a really great handle on it so you can wheel this thing with you wherever you need to go. I really appreciate that this cooler also comes with a spout at the bottom for draining any liquid that has accumulated in the bottom. We love to take it camping. We love taking it to the beach. It's got great locking hinges on the front, so you don't have to worry if it tips over about the cooler opening up and spilling everywhere. This is such a great, high quality cooler. It is a great value, and that is my point of view.